In this episode, we're taking apart a BMW that came in with a 21,000 mileage repair order. Boss, do you remember that car we finished disassembling a few days ago? The one where the guy's hand was shaking a little? Still shaking, huh? This car's probably going to shake too. Did anything break overnight? They're all fine. Oh, this one's a 2-cylinder. Isn't this the one you gave me last time? Oh, I forgot. You're the only thing on my mind. Ha 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 ha. Looks like it's German made. Indeed. Not that great though. Ha ha ha, say it a bit louder. No, can't. This kind of thing you can only enjoy. Cars with this kind of antifreeze are usually all good. Look at this. It's already curled up. Wow, really curled up. Wow, this feels so familiar. $2. Did you call the old scrap collector back? See that? I've got one. This valve of mine has clocked out. It's a Foshan made one that's off work. Take a look over here. See, how should I put it? It's still working fine. It's just the valve that's clocked out. They're all fine. If you're interested, you can scan this, ha ha ha. Scan what? Scan to follow you, is that it?